Alright, we're freestyling right now. We're freestyle rapping. If any of you have a subject or like a word that you want us to rap about, just tell us. Just tell us. Okay. That's boss. He's right. He's right. Ovoviviparous is the word. Ovoviviparous. Oh, I like it. We gotta rap about this word. Ovoviviparous. This is fucking ovoviviparous. It means switch time. I love this shit. This is the old shit. Okay, straight from the UK when I spit this shit. You thought I wouldn't get in this place, but I'm a witness bitch. You thought I wouldn't kill you. What I said in 1 second. What the fuck you thought you want your damn record? What is this? Our freestyle is awesome and cool. So many people to bleed. You thought I wouldn't be a foursome, but I can fuck 3 girls at the same time. Easy. Thought I was a great in the ass. You can leave me. I know I'm with 11. I don't give a fuck. I'm a 7. Maybe they're gonna fuck me like a 10, yo. You need me like you need 11 people more. Cause I thought I was a great and fuck. Yo. She said that she was ovoviviparous, but I really take it serious. Just tickle the clitoris, just a little bit, because I didn't really know what she could come back to my kids, and then I gave her all that dough. She's collecting all the child support, and I know that it's because of the cocaine that I snort. Everybody wants to act like they bored, but I'm from Portland for the fucking greatest corporate organ representing out here in China. Looking for vagina, you might as well sign up, because you know that the fucking checklist is short, so we gotta be on the porch and rapping about some more. More with all these fucking ladies, you know the money can't take me, making too many babies, but they get all those abortions, mighty orphans, they're behind the distorted, everybody knows it, because we know it. Switch the flow shit, and you never know, because we just like a ghost with the lips that never goes right. Just freestyle your title and grab the mic, spit something right, yo. Real hip hop, fucking body so bloody, and everybody wants to see me, but I'm hitting money. All the lures are never clear until I had to be ringing inside the atmosphere and never try to steer. Okay. I see you people in this crowd, you ain't see the same. Yo, we're the mighty Orphans, we like to freestyle, and everybody gets up on the stage and dance and style. I ain't really got the microphone ability to make you all wonder what's killing me, but it's back to cancer. That's right, I'm not a dancer, so I just stand to the rap and the fucking answer. Yo, I got these answers. What the fuck you think the fucking answer for? Like exotic dancers, and we try to prance around them until I know that I found them, I'm around them. And I wanna go back in time till I find my rise. This microphone and I just won't be mine. I snatch it so fast, I break the fucking wrist off like barista guns. Take them all the top and toss it up the fucking line until it explodes. Close to the second low, cause you know we get into that mode. We getting so high that we can see the sky like high in the bird's eye.
You should dance in bomb.
Looking for a fucking selfie, taking it 40 seconds until you know you're making the bacon shit. And tomorrow we'll have another hangover. We can't seem to stay over. Light 'em off and